What is up, YouTube? YouTube! This is Mr. King coming at you live from Washington. I am back with my family. This is my sister Avery with her dolls, or Barbies. Anyways, we are just going to jump right into it. I hope you all had a great 3-day weekend. And this article for today is going to be about the Dragons activity on Friday. And what I'm doing, I'm trying to get you to learn the key takeaways, which is what genes are, what an allele is, and the difference between dominant and recessive genes. Okay, so here are my expectations. First, I want you to read this article and highlight/underline the important information. Whatever is important is up to you. I typically think of things with definitions are really important, or things that I've highlighted or bolded already. So those are my tips for what to highlight. Second, I put 6 check for understanding or CFU questions in the article. So I ask you, for example, what are the 2 different alleles for wean gene? What does homozygous dominant mean? Give me an example. Is homozygous dominant, recessive, or heterozygous? So I want you to be reading the article and then answering the 6 CFU questions. And then at the end, I have a few practice questions that may be similar to the quiz we'll have later this week. So for example, I ask if you have a dragon sperm with a capital G with a wean gene and then a dragon egg with a non-wean gene and they mate, what will the dragon baby genotype be? And then will the dragon baby have wings? That's a check from Friday. And then I'm going to ask you about what is Ariana Grande's dimples gene like? Does she have dimples, and what would her genotype be? And then I have you also try and define what is the chance that Morgan's first child will have freckles based on the information I give you. So I hope you can find the importance of genetics. We can determine partly what your kids are going to look like based on what you already look like and what your parents did. And that's what's really fun. You can figure out like what's the chance of my kids having brown or blue eyes based on who I marry or have kids with. Anyways, so you answer those questions at the end too. And then once you're done with the article and the questions, then I want you to fill out this survey. It's just me checking in. I want you to see your grade right now. And then I have a couple questions. For example, like what grades do you need me to regrade or check for? And then lastly, some teachers have been giving all the assignments on Monday for the week, but I have been breaking them down day by day. So I just want to ask, what would you prefer? Would you prefer I give you all the work on Monday for the week? Or would you rather have me break it down like the Monday lesson on Monday, the Tuesday lesson on Tuesday, so on and so forth? Anyways, thank you for staying with me to the end. Best of luck. As always, I'm going to finish my video with a fun fact. And my fun fact is the first state in the US to be established was Delaware. Can anyone guess the last one? No? No? It was Hawaii.
Mom.
Hawaii was the last one. So Delaware is the oldest state, Hawaii is the youngest. Okay, that was my fun fact. I will see you on Wednesday. Peace out, guys and girls.